Hello everyone, welcome to a new session of our podcast. This is Kevin Hu. Um in this session, we're going to finish the sFlight gateway service with part C. It's the last part. So just a recap of the previous things that we have done here is that we created the gateway service and we built several entity types and associations here. And today we're gonna finish it. First, we create these DPCs, the data provider classes. So let's see. Let's edit it into the active mode. Edit mode. Sorry. And what we're gonna do is try to define the sFlight data provider here. Let's switch back to the form-based development environment for demonstration purpose. We have a method to redefine. Here we have, let me see. We have the get entity set. We have the get entity set method to redefine. It's inherited from the superclass. Sorry, just a minute. And we would like to choose the get entity set, and we would like to press this button to redefine. Okay, yes, let's switch to the copy paste the code here. It's more easy, more quick. We have we would like to define the collection name here, and if it is airports or flights or bookings, these are the three collections here we have got. So here we defined which kind of property set that we would like to export. We have some errors here, and oh sorry, here it's the trouble still there. We have redundant end method. So in the meantime, you can see how to debug or do troubleshooting. It's very important here. So let's do another activate. You can see the errors. There's some problems here, and let's see if we have got. Okay, there's still redundant lines here. It's very annoying. Okay, sure. We have the name is the thing we need to change because this is a sample from the guide. You need to redefine, change the name of it. So I would like to say we would like to create a data provider for airport first. Here we have the airport. It's a local object. Double click. It's properties here. Need to edit it. Okay. For the superclass, it's keying the superclass here. So it's a service runtime. Sorry, it's done something wrong here. It's not kind of things that I need to do right now. Let's see the method. It may take me some time here. Something wrong here. I'm not sure. Yes, okay. That's it. And try save it. Let's okay, here this is the thing we would like to define. Here's the interface tab. So here we have those kind of method that we need to redefine here. This is the get entity set. And we display sFlight. This is the flight. This is for the flight collection. Also, we create a DPC for it. And also we have to create instance for the interface, and then in the method we can redefine those methods. We can find those methods such as the get entity set or get entity. In this demonstration we only redefine the get entity set method. That's enough for our demonstration. And the other workbenches always have some delays. Booking. Same with the booking collection. So for the interface here, we have interface and methods that we would like to redefine. So for the booking, see, let's go back to the sFlight data provider, and we'll try to open it. Put it in edit mode, source code mode. We have those entity sets. Here we can change to our predefined data provider classes for airport bookings and flights. Still, there's a lot of things that you need to change. DTP is right. Scroll down. Okay, let's see. What kind of errors do we have? The airport T here, and airport T is unknown. Let me see what's going on here. And so I just mistype. It's not. It's a data model provider, not a. Data provider. So let's do it. Let's check. Does not contain an interface here. There's something wrong with the airport DPC. Yeah, let's go back and see it. Maybe there's something wrong with the interface. Sometimes you find it very annoying to switching between those classes, as there's always some delays. You need to check it very frequently about the status bar, the top bar, to see whether this is the class you need to edit. So let's do an activation again. Yes, sure, I have not activated the flight DPC. And also I need to add another two types here, the booking and the flight. So always remember to activate when you finished editing the classes. Okay, let's go back to the sFlight. Let's activate it again. See what we have done wrong. Okay, sure. We finished the activation, so let's check in and see what we have got in the service document. It's the same here. Maybe let's try airports. This is the airport. As you know, we have not seen any airports here. So later we would like to define this. Okay, so here we have the sample code here. We just copy and paste airport. Let's see what's going on here. As you can see, the DPC for airport is, it's we have not implemented anything here. I prefer to let's see what method we've got here. The source code based here. So we have not anything here in get entity type entity set method here. So we copy and paste the sample code here and change the things. The model name. Save it first. I would like to show you the errors. The model name that we need to change. Model name here, we have several model names to change to the NPC provider name, and also we have not defined the geolocation, so these two attributes we do not need it. We just delete it. And what kind of things do we want? Okay, let's do a activation here. Okay, this helper is unknown. Helper is unknown. We would like to create another session. Let's see, create another ABAP. So what we have to get is create a sFlight helper class. Let's give it some descriptions. Okay, and local object, double click. Here we have get URL for airport method to define. Let's save it first. So let's copy those code here. Okay, so for the method, let's get the URL here. I think it's an optional procedure, but help us to create some additional action URLs here and see what we've got in the end of this demonstration. Airport is unknown, so here that's why you need to define those variables. So we have the variables for the method to define. Here we have, let me see just a moment. Here, yes, here we can define the parameters. As we can see, we have the parameter of airport name. So here we have a, let's see, parameter is airport. So the type is char. So here, I think nothing special here. Sorry, it's not the type here, so maybe I got something wrong here. It's import parameter. Okay, we have the import variable of airport, and we have the return variable of URL. It is a string. Cool. Yes, we nothing else, I think. So let's go back to the method. Let's switch to the source, and okay, cool. We have airport in capitalized character. Need to activate this class. Okay, so the helper is done. Let's switch back to the where are we going here? The DPC sFlight. here we have created an optional helper class. So here let's activate it again. Okay, sure, fine. Now here we can see what's going on here, and probably we have not activate this class. Oh, okay. So I need to kill the other session. Or I can activate it here. It's silly. Okay, let's go back to DPC airport. Let's activate it. Still some errors here, and okay, I did not change back the helper class. It's quite obvious. So ABAP Workbench is still a very powering tool for you to do a quick check of the syntax. sFlight helper Kevin Hu. And you get back, and sorry, just something wrong here. The helper, the helper class, and I'm not sure what's the name of it. Display the errors and get URL for airport is protected. I need to change it to an open method. Let's check. Get URL for the airport, and it says it's protected. I need to okay, I need to move it to the public session, and that's fine, I think. So I need to again activate it. Okay, fine, and okay. It's a static method, and problem. It's easy to change. Get URL. Let's change it to a static method. Okay. Fine, the object has been activated. So let's go back and check and see what's. Yes, here's the airports list that we've been created it, and we also have the URL link here. And here we can see from the airport we can see how many flights and what are the flights departing from this airport, and also we have those. Let's see, we copy paste this URL here and switch back to the. Okay, this is thing says that we have not implemented the get entity method. I think I can show you something more and see, we can define the get entity method here. So we can create a new method called get entity. This will return the details of each collection. DPC. DPC flight. DPC booking. Let's see, we have the model provider to be changed. Flight test is unknown. Yes, let's see what's going on here. So let's check it again. We have only a few lines here. Right. Okay, there's still a miss. I'm not sure the copy paste is not fully functional here. Generate it again. See airport. Okay, it's flight. Sorry. Copy paste. It's not a good thing here. Okay, cool. And we have implemented the get entity sets method here. So let's go back and see the effect. First, let's see what's going on here in the airport. Airport DPC. Let's say yes, we have the get entity for the airport DPC. So here we have things to check. Need to find we need to find a place to copy and paste it. Okay, here that's fine. And just a moment, let me check. And let's paste it here. Get entity, we have to change the model here. Flight helper. Need to delete those unnecessary attributes here. Let me check. That we have two entity get entity method. Let me see. Get this entity set. Okay, cool. The okay, fine. Let's see what we get. We get entity sets. Still, we get some errors here. Let's see what we get for airports. Here we have the airport links running. It's fully functional here, but get entity, we have some problems here. So here we can try other links, for example the flight to links. You can see which airports does this airport fly to. We have 3 airports. So anyway, let's conclude this demonstration, and we finished building a sFlight gateway service with SAP NetWeaver gateway. So thanks for watching. Bye.